Section 3 covers work zone safety considerations. The first question refers to the work zone safety guiding principle. This document directs project design teams to use a full range of options for maintaining a balance between safety and mobility. Options include separation of the traveling public from workers and work areas, speed reductions, law enforcement, enhanced traffic control devices and signage, and overall roadway and work zone design. Question 2 asks if the work zone decision tree has been updated throughout the project milestones. The work zone decision tree form is used to consider planning and design options for projects including staging, traffic control, separation strategies, public involvement, and communications. The decision tree form becomes part of the project's transportation management plan, both of which are required for all projects. For question 3, if this is a paving project, indicate the estimated number of shifts and hours per shift. This information is frequently requested by mobility stakeholders who are concerned with the amount of time workers are exposed to traffic.